Hello guys, welcome back. Now in this video, let us see the most clients encountered problem. That is a compute related issue. You can see I have already one server. So that is already created for you. You can see the instance type that is a T2 medium. So now I will tell you the issue that most of my clients will encounter. And I also tell you the resolution, how to resolve it. So the issue they face is so whenever they are running their servers, they they noticed a point. They analyzed and observed a point that is so the server capacity, or you can say the storage is not sufficient for them. The storage is not sufficient for them. And the processing capacity, that is virtual CPUs, whatever they are using, they also not sufficient for them. That is, they want to change the instance type. Is it possible? Yes. You can able to change the instance type. That is, you can able to increase this particular server related compute and storage by changing this instance type. That is, let's say they want to process large amount of storage. They want to process large storage data. So in order to store large data for the server, they can able to increase the EBS volumes directly so that they can able to store large volumes of data in the same server. Now, by using the same single server, let's say they want to process that whole large data. So then for that, this small instance type is not sufficient for them. So during that scenario, how to overcome the issue? So this might happen with all the clients. That is, after some time, their business may increases. So that's why they store large amount of data. So they need to process a large amount of data by using the same server. So in order to do that, so they need to change the instance type. So is it possible? Is it possible? The answer for that is yes. You can able to change the instance type. But while running your server, you cannot able to change the instance type. Then when can we able to change the instance type, sir? We can able to change the instance type by stopping the server. So you can see, you can observe that is under actions tab, you have instance settings. Now I'm just selecting that. You can see currently it is a disabled state. Change instance state is in a somewhat a blur. That is a, it was not in thick color. So you cannot able to do this now because currently your server is running. So while your server is running, you cannot able to change the instance type. So how to change it? So when can I able to change it? You can stop the instance. Then after your instance getting stopped, then you have this option gets enabled. What's the option? Change instance type option. Now I'm just expecting to stop this particular running instance. So that's why I just selected this. And now I'm changing the instance state from start, from running to stop state. So that's why I'm clicking on stop. I'm reconfirming it. Now you can see you got a message successfully initiated stopping of this particular instance. You can see that instance by using that instance ID, you can able to recognize this is the particular instance or server. Currently it is stopping. You can reload. After some time, it will be stopped. So one more point I want to mention, during this stopping state, your clients cannot able to access your server. So you need to tell them this is the maintenance time. That is, you can specify your clients that, so I want this much amount of time for maintenance of my servers. Then you can manage your servers. You can change the modification that you want to do. You can see currently my server reached to the stop state. Even that message is available at the top. Now I'm just expecting to change the instance type. So that's why I selected the server, and under actions you have instance settings. There you can see change instance type, that is enabled. That comes ticker. Now I'm just clicking on there. So to change the instance type of my server, now I'm expecting to change this to process a large amount of data, right? So that's why I'm choosing M5 family to process large amount of data. In this M5 also, I can have in this M5 also, I can have multiple options. Currently, I'm moving with X large. So if you use this other than T2 medium, if you use this, then you can see this is the cost that you will be encountered. So you need to consider about that as well. If you use this, then you can get 4 virtual CPUs and you can able to process 16,384 MBs of data as well. That means if you want to process 16 GB of data by using 4 core virtual CPUs, then 4 virtual GPUs, then you need to choose this M5 XLR. So currently I'm choosing that. So you can see I'm just applying that. I think I got a lot of very big error, right? Yeah. So currently for this user, I haven't provided that permission to change this instance type. But the process is this. You can able to click on apply so that the changes will be applied to you and you will be redirected to home page. On your EC2 instance, you can able to see that change. So currently I'm canceling this action because I haven't provided a permission to this particular IAM user to do that. So then after performing this action, you can again start your instance by clicking on instance state. You can see so whenever starting a request is initiated, you will see this pop up, and after refreshing, your instance will be moved from pending state to active state after some time. So whenever it is started, you can see the instance state is running. So this is how you can able to change the instance state of your running EC2 instance, or you can able to increase the processing capacity. You can able to increase the total amount of size that you want to process by using this server. So by changing the instance type, you can able to do this in AWS. So I hope you understood this video and you also understood the issue that you encountered with compute, and you also understood the solution, how to resolve that issue. So I think you also understood one more concept related to EC2. So I hope this video is useful to you. If you feel this video is useful, then please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching again. See you back in the next video with another interesting topic. Until then, bye bye guys.